Hello and welcome to Burp Suite Recipes. My name is Sunil Gupta. I'm a cybersecurity specialist, book author, and a public speaker, and I'm your instructor for this course. Let's talk about the course overview. So what we are going to learn here in this course. First of all, we are going to start with Burp Suite target and proxy modules. We will learn about how you can perform spidering and scanning in web applications. Then we will learn about Burp Suite intruder. Then how you can use Burp Suite repeater. Then how you can use decoder to perform encoding and decoding process. Then we will learn about sequencer, comparer and extender. And finally, we are going to end this course with Burp Suite reporting. If we talk about the course goals, then you can see in the first point that the course is designed to provide fundamental skills needed to analyze the web applications using Burp Suite. So we are going to use Burp Suite and we are going to test web applications using Burp Suite. Students will learn that how to use Burp Suite features. So there are various features in Burp Suite, there are various modules inside Burp Suite. Now how we can use it and what are the various working of these modules inside Burp Suite, we are going to cover here in this course. If we talk about the setup is very simple. We have a tester and we have a system which contains Burp Suite and we have a website or web application. So we are going to analyze that web application using Burp Suite and we are going to talk about various features of Burp Suite. So why you should join this course? Because this course is going to provide you a deep knowledge about Burp Suite. It is going to provide you information, first of all, how you can set up a lab in your systems, then what are the various features available in Burp Suite, what are the various modules which can be used in web application analysis, and finally how you can analyze a web application using Burp Suite, we are going to cover here in this course. So this is all about the course overview. Thank you so much for your time and I'll see you inside the course.